In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rename sheet in Excel. This is a very simple Excel task, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds to do. Renaming a sheet is useful because it helps keep your workbook organized and makes it much easier to find the information you need later. Instead of leaving the default sheet names in place, you can give each tab a name that clearly matches the content on that sheet. To begin, look at the bottom left area of your Excel window. This is where your sheet tabs are displayed. You will usually see default names such as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or Sheet 3, unless they have already been changed. These tabs represent the different worksheets inside your workbook. Find the sheet tab that you want to rename. Once you have located it, double-click directly on the name of that tab. When you do this, the existing text on the tab will become highlighted. That highlight shows that the name is now ready to be edited. Next, type the new name you want to use for that sheet. As you type, the old name will be replaced with the new one. Try to choose a name that is short but descriptive, so it is easy to recognize at a glance. This can be especially helpful if your workbook contains several sheets and you want to stay organized. After you have entered the new sheet name, press Enter on your keyboard. This saves the new name and applies the change immediately. Once you press Enter, the tab will display the updated name at the bottom of the Excel window. If the name does not seem to change right away, make sure you click directly on the tab itself and not somewhere else on the worksheet. Also, type carefully so the new name appears exactly the way you want it. Pressing Enter is the final step that confirms the change. That is the full process. Go to the Sheet tabs at the bottom left. Double-click the tab name you want to edit. Type the new sheet name and then press Enter to save it. It is a quick and easy way to make your Excel workbook cleaner and easier to navigate. That covers everything you need to know.